The process for inserting text using the installed version of Canvas Workspace is very similar to that we used for the online version. So we would go over and click on the text tool to activate it, then click anywhere on our cutting mat to set the origin, type the word that we want, and either click anywhere outside of the word or press enter to set it in place. There are some major differences with how we can actually interact with text in the installed version of Canvas Workspace. The first is that we can use any TrueType font that is installed on our computer. To do this, we would either go to the context toolbar at the top or to the text section of the properties panel on the right. To change the font, use the drop-down box and it will show you at the top any recently used fonts. It will then show you all of the Canvas Workspace fonts available, and these you would be familiar with from the online version. And then below that we have all fonts, and these are every TrueType font that is installed on this computer, and you can use these. To select it, just move your cursor over the style of font that you would like to use and click. That will then change the text. Now it's a bit too big for my purposes here, so I'll go back to the original one. If the TrueType font has any stylistic alternatives like italic or bold, they will be accessible through this extra drop-down box here. Again, you would just move your cursor over the style you want to use and click. As with the online version, we can also change the character spacing up or down. To change the word, select the text that you have on screen and double click. Highlight it and type your new word. Click anywhere off the word or press enter to set that in place as before. Those same options, as I mentioned, are available in the properties panel on the right.